the band is doing it for us.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahari cyankwanzi yakawusha hamnana zihangwe kandi yakirwa abebembezi abarukushitama hakachiko ka Central Executive Committee omukibina cha NRM omukuganira nabo President Museveni yagambira abanyishengero ba NRM ngo byo butegeki ebirikubaganisamo abantu bishenyire kandi byarabanisamo amahanga gatari gamwe na gamwe aba bari hari National Leadership Training Institute mu cyankwanzi kweherera no kuganira ahanshonga za manifesto y'ekibina no kubarashoronzi y'incureji.
Looking at us like ants, as if we are ants. So, the issue of strategic security, that is historical mission number 3. Number 2. Number 3, guarding our heritage. The African heritage is very, very strong. That's how we were able to survive slave trade. Because we are very strong people, genetically. And our culture is very strong. You don't marry within your clan, you marry outside the clan. So the genes are very strong. The foods we eat. Me, I eat African foods. I've not eaten rice since I came back from Tanzania, 1979. I have my food.
Tulina okulaga ekifaananyi ekipya eri abalonzi. Bino bye mulowooza nti abantu bwe babanga bavuganya kitegeeza nti oli abeera mulabe wa munne. Ekyo si kituufu.
Gire bintu byingi munonga kandi nyamurungi tufunira abanywani abantu abitubenturebera hanga hari twatunga chance yo kubirira hihi tushomesibwe bintu byingi munonga konke kinkwasireho nko mwebembezi president yagamba munonga ahashonga ya corruption manisha ababembezi batahibanje mureke tukwatanisize hamwe turwanise oburi bwenguzi
birimo kikweta cohesion inclusivity na buri kimwe cyane mu kushanga ngo tukorera hamwe erizoba speaker wa parliament yatorabiramo oku ebiragiro birukorwa imirimo ya parliament erimo okurebe embarira erimo kurebiragiro hamwe na no kureba esente ezetireyo abantu mwazi kozesa bazikozise bata
abiyaherezaho umugisha okugira icyo bagamba yabahurikiriza kandi yabagarukamo mweno murangaguruho kugira ngo ekinde cha ekiyagambaho President Museveni cyo gutekateka ngo abanya-Uganda twena tutekeho esira ninga turebe nahaca aha ideology ya NRM ningashi omutima gwa NRM habo kuba abantu bayimusya issues zo kugira ngo bakaze mu karuru kubagira mu karuru ababire bari aba NRM benyini babantu bo babaranze
abantu bija ku maresande yo no muri cyankwanzi okuganira hanshonga zentunguka y'ekibina cha NRM gasha kwa Susan Charles Sim.